Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Happy Friday, happy November. Today is the first day of November, which is so weird. I'm actually filming this video on the last day of October, so it's Halloween. What'd you guys do for Halloween? Did you do anything fun? Did you dress up? My nieces are coming over later to get some candy. That is the extent of my Halloween plans, which will be fun. I'm excited to see them. I have the Fabfitfun winter add-ons to share with you guys. So today's video is sponsored by Fabfitfun. I've been working with them for years to share their seasonal subscription boxes, but before the boxes ship out, I always share some of the add-on options that are available. If you guys haven't heard of Fabfitfun, it is a seasonal subscription box that comes out 4 times a year. They include a little bit of everything, so for $49.99 you get a box with full-size products, including beauty, fashion, wellness, and lifestyle products. They've been giving us the option to really customize our boxes, so I personally have been choosing a lot of lifestyle products, which I think is kind of fun for the new season. But if you are not subscribed, they gave me a code, so you can actually save $10 on your first box, and I'll put it on the screen for you guys and in the description box below. So you can get your first box for just under $40, which is a good deal because the retail value is always over $200. So when you become a Fabfitfun member, in addition to getting your box every season, you get access to their add-on sale, which is essentially like a really big flash sale that happens for a few days, so you can get products for a super discounted price, and if you purchase them, they will ship out with your seasonal box. So today I have a preview of some of the products that will be available. It's not everything, so you kind of have to check the website to get a look at everything, and the products do sell out very quickly, so I definitely recommend checking it sooner than later if you're interested in shopping the sale. If you want early access to the sale, you can sign up and upgrade to an annual subscription, which does save you money in the long run, but it also gives you like early access, so you can be one of the first to shop the add-on sale. The last thing I wanted to mention is that they're actually offering 3 different sponsored add-ons, which essentially means you can get these products for free if you have $15 in your cart while supplies last. So I wrote them down so I don't forget. The first one is the Giovanni Tea Tree Shampoo. The second one is an Otterbox case for your phone. And the third one is 3 months of Mint Mobile. So definitely be sure to grab those because they're free if you're already purchasing $15 worth of add-ons. So let me share the add-ons with you. I've tried a few products so I can share some reviews. I haven't tried everything because I like to be able to share the love with you guys and give some away. So if you are interested, check the description box below for more info. One that I definitely recommend if you are looking for a new moisturizer is this one from Perricone Md. If you're looking for new skincare in general, I definitely recommend checking out the sale because they offer a lot of high-end products for a discounted price. But the texture of this moisturizer is perfect because it sinks into the skin really well. It's not overly heavy, so I don't think it's going to be too much for you even if you have oily skin, but it does provide lasting hydration throughout the day. It's really comfortable, and I love how it preps my skin in the morning before I apply makeup. It just leaves your skin looking extra smooth and plump and firm, so I do feel like makeup goes on top really nicely, but you could also use it at night as well. So this is a really great option. I definitely recommend picking it up if you're looking for a new moisturizer. This is a really fun product that has definitely come in handy. This is the Sara Happ lip scrub, and it comes in the flavor pumpkin spice latte. So I think it's really fun for the fall season, and I love lip scrubs. I think that they really do make such a difference. If you love wearing lip products and you feel like your lip products aren't going on as smooth or evenly as they could, definitely try going in with a lip scrub. I also feel like the formula is really nice. Sometimes the ratio with lip scrubs is so off, and there are either too many scrubbing properties or they're overly moisturizing and you don't get a good exfoliation. This one is perfect, and I do think the pumpkin spice latte flavor or scent is a nice touch. Typically, they do have some really great palettes available or just makeup products in general. They will be offering this Tarteist Volume 3 Contour Palette. So this is a really cute option if you do love contouring or you love Tarte cheek products. It comes with 1 blush, 2 highlighters, and then a couple of bronzer and contour shades, and there are a variety of colors in here. So if you think this one would work well for your skin tone, this is going to be a great option. You get a bunch of different cheek products, and I feel like Tarte does cheek products really well. They're always very smooth and blendable, and they stay in place really well throughout the day. If you guys are in need of a new curling wand, this is going to be such a good option. I really love the versatility of this product because it comes with a bunch of different curling wands. It's by the brand Foxy Bay, and I've been using it for the past week, and I've been able to create so many different hairstyles. Typically, I just kind of go with like a regular 1-inch curling wand, but this one comes with a bunch of different attachments. So this is the one that I used today. It's really easy to switch the product. You literally just twist this and pull the wand right off, and then you can put another one in, click it into place, and it does have like a temperature adjustment as well. So here's a look at the other curling wands that it comes with. You get some of like your traditional barrels that are just very smooth, and then you get a couple that have ridges, so you can create a little bit more of like a messy textured look. But this is a great alternative to just like a standard curling wand because you can create so many different hairstyles with the one set. Something else that I've been using that I've been meaning to purchase are these blue light glasses. I spend so much time in front of my computer editing videos, and I've noticed that my eyes just feel very off by the end of the day. They're very, very tired. I actually need to go to the doctor to get my prescription updated, but these make a big difference because if you guys have like an iPhone, it might work with other phones. There's a setting on here where you can turn it from blue light to yellow light, and it's supposed to protect your eyes. And these essentially do the same thing if you are staring at a screen all day. And I do feel like my eyes are a lot less fatigued by the end of the day. They also say that blue light is not great for you like before bed. So that's when I typically edit. So I feel like these have made such a difference. So these will be available. They're also cute, but I mean, more than that, they're practical. They always have really great jewelry. In fact, the only necklaces that I wear, I've gotten in my FabFitFun boxes. They will have these little earrings available from the brand Elizabeth Stone. So if you guys are into statement earrings, these could be really fun. If you are in need of a new sponge, they will have this one available from the brand Daily Concepts. I've tried Daily Concepts products and they always work really well. And then I do have two different skincare products that I did not get the chance to try out just because I was testing out the moisturizer and a couple of other things. But this first one is from the brand Glowing Essence. If you are in need of a new serum, this one has some really great benefits. It's supposed to brighten your skin tone, diminish age spots, reduce wrinkles, and there are a lot of different ingredients in here like hyaluronic acid, vitamin C. So if you guys are interested in trying out a serum from a new brand, this one could be really promising. If you struggle with breakouts, this might be a great spot treatment for you. This is by the brand Bios Apothecary, and it has a couple of different ingredients in it that are meant to treat and soothe the skin, like witch hazel to dry up the blemish, aloe leaf juice to soothe your skin, and then there are some other ingredients in here as well that are supposed to treat your breakout. Something you guys might not know about me is that I have a slight blanket obsession. Whenever I'm at the store and I see like a fluffy blanket, I just want to buy it, especially during the fall and the winter because it's so cold outside. This is by the brand En Vogue, and it is just like a nice soft luxe plush throw. It has like a cute little cactus design on it, so this could be a fun addition if you love cactuses or you just want like a cute blanket. Another home decor product that they included that I just love so much are these placemats and reusable napkins. Obviously, reusable napkins are great. They're better for the environment, but I always love reusable napkins when I'm having like company over just because I feel like they look a little bit more classy. They really like dress up the dinner table. And I mean, when we have my family over, things are very casual, but I do think that these are nice because you can use them, throw them in the wash, use them again. So these are by the brand Chic and Tonic, and they just have like a cute hexagon design on them, and they're gray, they're neutral, which is really, really nice. And then they do have the matching placemats, which I love. I have a glass table. It always has fingerprints on it, and on top of that, if you put a plate on it, it scratches very easily. So that wasn't like the smartest choice on my part, but I love placemats because I can just put them over the glass. You don't see as many fingerprints and nothing scratches it. So I love this. I love reusable napkins and placemats. They're great. Something that I haven't tried that I probably should have tried because I do have very, very frizzy hair is from the brand Neon & Co. And this is their Frizz Fighter. I actually am going to test this product out and I'll definitely let you guys know how it works for me. I've never tried anything from this brand, but they are cruelty-free. And then I did test out this product. It comes in a really beautiful glass bottle. It's by the brand Argentum and it is a body cream. It is a really smooth, lightweight formula, so I like using it as a hand lotion. You can use it as a body lotion as well. It has a little bit more of a natural fragrance, which I love. I feel like I kind of smell eucalyptus. One of the main ingredients is colloidal silver, which they say has a lot of different skincare benefits, so this might be something worth checking out. I think it looks really sleek and beautiful, but of course the product itself does feel really nice on the skin as well. And then this little pack of birthday cards is by the brand Oh Dear. These are so, so cute. So this one has like a little dog on it. They they have little pins that you can actually use. So I think I'm going to save these for my nieces and nephews on their birthdays. This one says, have a fabulous birthday, and it has a flamingo. And then this one says, have a magical birthday, and it has a little unicorn. So I think these are really cute, really fun. And then just a couple of other options. There is a little hat and glove set. This is cute. It's just like gray and silver, so I feel like it goes with everything. And these will definitely come in handy because winter is right around the corner. They did send this really cute like little duffel bag, which is very, very bright, very fun, but it could be a good option if you are needing just a cute duffel bag to either travel with. All right, here's a better look at it. Hopefully you guys can see it a little bit better, but it has like a really pretty rose design on it. It could be a good option if you go to the gym, or, you know, if you have somebody in your life who loves like bright pink and roses. I do think that these come in handy a lot of the time, so they will have this available. And the last thing in here is by the brand Busy Beauty. These are instant fresh body wipes with lavender and tea tree. I definitely don't recommend using these every day because it's obviously not very sustainable, but sometimes you're in a pinch and you just need something to kind of freshen up, which is how they kind of market these products. So they say that you can bring them wherever you're going, whether you are at the gym, at work, camping, and you just kind of need something in a pinch and you really need to freshen up and you don't have time to take a shower, wash your face, then this might be a good alternative. So those are all of the add-ons that I have to share with you guys in today's video. But again, that's just kind of a sneak peek. There will be so many products available on the website, so make sure to check it out in case you are interested in purchasing something. Thank you guys so much for watching. Stay tuned because I will have my winter unboxing for you guys very, very soon, and I'll see you very soon with a new video. Bye.